In today's video, I am going to do a technical analysis on Ocugen Inc, ticker OCGN. Ocugen Inc, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, focuses on developing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. The company's pipeline product includes OCU400, a novel gene therapy product candidate restoring retinal integrity and function across a range of genetically diverse inherited retinal diseases, OCU410, gene therapy candidate for the treatment of dry age-related macular degeneration or AMD, and OCU200, a novel fusion protein that is in the preclinical development stage for the treatment of diabetic macular edema, diabetic retinopathy, and wet AMD. Ocugen Inc has a strategic partnership with CanSino Biologics Inc for gene therapy co-development and manufacturing, and Bharat Biotech for the commercialization of Covaxin in the United States market. The company is headquartered in Malvern, Pennsylvania. Let's see this stock's price action. Here we can see that there is a zone formed between the resistance of $8.15 and support of $7.67. The stock is currently coming down with a bearish trend after hitting the resistance, so there is a chance that the stock will reach the support point. Currently, it is in the midway of the zone, so the best strategy to follow here will be a price action-based strategy. Buy if the stock price goes above the resistance, and sell if the stock price goes below the support. Let's see its pattern. In this 30-minute time frame, we can see that the candlesticks are forming a triangular trend, which gives us a chance for a price action trading based on this stock. Here you can buy this stock if the price goes above the upper trend line and short sell the stock if it goes below the lower trend line. Let's look at indicators. In this 5-minute MACD and stochastic RSI chart, we can see that the MACD is forming a bearish trend and the RSI is in the lower part of the equilibrium zone. Hence this tells us that there is a bearish sentiment in this stock, so keep this in mind and try to make trades that follow the trend. As we saw in its support and resistance lines, the stock is in a bearish trend and is trying to reach its support, so there is a chance that after hitting the support, the stock will bounce back with a bullish sentiment, and at this time the MACD and RSI can show a trend reversal with a crossover. In this 30-minute MACD and stochastic RSI chart, we can see that the MACD and RSI are showing a bearish crossover, and this indicated the beginning of a bearish rally. So if you are ready to take a risky trade, then you can go for a short selling option here. In this 15-minute moving average chart, we can see that the stock is trading above the 50-day and 200-day moving average, but it currently went below the 20-day moving average, which indicates that the stock is currently having bearish sentiment. There is also a chance that the stock might take a 50-day moving average as a support line. Here in the 5-minute moving average, the stock is trading below the 20-day and 50-day moving average line, and this signifies that the stock is in a bearish sentiment and will keep going down till the next support, so price action trading would be the suitable strategy here. In the 5-minute Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart, we can see that a bearish trend is going on, and there will be a fall in the stock price at the beginning of the market hours, but since the coming day is Monday, there is a chance for a gap up and gap down. So be careful. If gap up and a gap down happens, then the technical signals will change, so keep that in mind. If the market opens flat, then the signals will remain unchanged, and you can follow this analysis. To conclude, at the beginning of the market, if the stock opens flat, then there will be a bearish trend, but if a gap up or gap down happens, then this technical signal will change, hence making this technical analysis useless, so only take the trade if the market opens flat and stay away from trades if a gap up or gap down happens. If this gap up or gap down happens, do trade only based on support and resistance. Subscribe to my channel for more stock and crypto analysis and price prediction every trading day. Have a great one.